Itu Edo ya fefe, Edo walariu. Edo walariu. Itu Edo ya fefe, Edo ni rogwa kem Edo ni risi. Waya bedene. Itu waya o. Wabo we o, wabavan o, wabota o. Waya nogi ere, wabo kian. Idaga arun ha re onyagbe na na. Ubana we din arun ha oreba na. Waya bo kian o. Waga adi ru josa na ya so o. Nera ke bo mo ke bo ri no won. O salo balon ke de na. Mani wo ke mi go dia we masiko ko. Ma tuti ni wa. Ma to ge bo ma re mi ni ma we ma ai. When ma ta na ya fe gi ya la ma o ri mo la ma ko. La ho nu ya ri yo bo ma ma ya ni we da gbon wa. Ore do ma ya ta ke bana to ge do ma na to ge bo ya. La ho nu ja gbon ma ya. La ra no wo do. Twan be do ya be fe. No e ka o go ma ro no wi en de yi ro la ho okike are ge ma ya fe egbe. Na do ya tomu. Fian bo e se bo wa. Ko fo bo e se bo wa. Ya timma di we gbe no ya nwere na won. Ke na nwere na go ba na nwere no we ba na nwere no we e wa na we nwere na. Ipo won salo bo no do. Ni Jesus Christ no nya wa. Isa wa ya wa isa o isa. Mari. Ibota oredo. Oni ere wa bokan o ese wi ureba ofiasoke ureba glory yamu ureba Dioniro wa kere nrisi wa tota wodo wareba wa wese oredo ya do tana ani abodan ve oka oredo ogano ya won pe o Ogbodu gano. Ya won pe. Ogbodu gano. Edo history. Today we come to continue in the Edo history, especially in the era of Ogiso dynasty in the land of Igodo, which is Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria. The land of Igodo, that was the first name of Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria. The rulers of Edo land at that time were the Ogisos. They started with their primogeniture, that is, the leader, the ruler, to his first son. Later on, there was problems, so they reversed to the oldest person in the community. That is your John Were, oldest person in the community. And that's what is going on now. When one oldest person passes away, the next oldest person in the community is elected to be the leader of the community of Igodo. It's a glorious period because you see where Edo people are coming from. You look at the history, then you see the Edo Bean, B-E-I-N-G. Edo Bean. We are not like other people. We are a special people made by God, and that is expressed in our poetry. Yes, a special people, direct descent from the Creator, the kindred of a real royal land. That's Edo people. the kindred of a three royal line. Whenever you see the Edo people, give them a hand because they are special people. Despite the fact that politics has changed the world around, we still remain very unique people, the Edo people. We are not like any other. It is a fact. You can experiment it, you can analyze it, and you can come to the conclusion if you want to. Edo people. So then we continue in that history of the dynasty of Ogiso in Igodo Migodo. Have you seen another place called a name like that? It's special. Igodo Migodo. Okaido. Ore Ogiso. Igodo Migodo. Okaido Mananana. Man, I will manana, I will bet that tide. Nivia doga home. Tunda manedo. Emunga makin. Ne, mangabi yafefe. Emunga. Ewa do sare bawa muboji. No wa mubogi agmo. Eyi makin. Eoge yabata. Eoge yabata. Ewa ni mtana na we eviye do edo uwa no. Gele. Medu sare bawa yiba. Ayi ma time wo we yabi yabo we time. Ebe gbon yebe. Ebe ni gban. Runda Iviedo Yame Iwu Oge man pataki Noke Egwa Osana Yire Ese Oge Ivie Ibiogie Ese Oge Unye Ibiogie Mane dono Bedi Yebu Bon When you do bon, you will be bon. You do have a one talent water when you be bon. If yes, say, okay, if you near, if you okay. The special people, go ahead. The special people, direct distance from the Creator. Okay. The descendants of a three royal line on a Manedo. Nana, Natana, Oka Ketakabedu, oh, Nana Okaredo. Ogo Giso, be Igo to Gumigodo. Well, I don't know who you're redo. Who are you called Giso or Igo to Migodo? Ododa Kenanade. Imagine so that the man be Kuya, will marry Nigeria, Opa Mayaki. A girl, my dog by ye. If you said no Kobu Sari, imagine. Man, if you near or give you gear. Near you. Man, I don't know. No kind of atana. What do you have? When a governor, when a commissioner, when a mayor of a red door said, "Yam will can na yes kue." I'm a man, I'm a tamia. Only my man no buy. I at your buya at your gabai. I am at your do. The other day we stopped in the what was that? In the 17th of Giso, 17th ruler of Igodo Begodo. Today we will continue from the 18th. By God's grace, we will do 4 again today. There are 31 Ogisos. Hear this now. 31 Ogisos, the rulers of Igodo Begodo of Benin. Before you enter the era, the dynasty of the Obas. The dynasty of the Obas is not the beginning of Edo. You hear me? It started with Ogiso, the king of the skies. From the royal land, from the skies, from God. We have a history that is linked to Genesis chapter 1, verses 1 and 2. Those have a creation story linked to Genesis 1 and 2. Genesis chapter 1, verses 1 and 2. Where the Bible spoke about the Tohu Wabohu. The Tohu Wabohu. Edo creation story talks about Tohu Wabohu. So when you join the Edo creation story to the creation story of the Bible, it becomes one. Yo, Sarobwa. So, what are you going to do? Okay, so we're going to come to the 18th today. Watch it. Watch it. So that you can tell it to other people. Okay, so, Ororo. Some people spell it Ororo. And in some books, this is said to be Ororo. The one we are dealing with right now, they come from what they call the Edo Affairs. EdoAffairs.com. Watch it. Most of what we are dishing out now, they are the echoing of information, documentary information from EdoAffairs.com. EdoAffairs.com. What we are giving you is not fabricated by me. It did not originate from me. Originated from people who have studied these things, they have analyzed them, they have weighed them, and they have documented them. EdoAffairs.com. You can be verified. So, Ogiso Ororo, he reigned in Nikodo 600 to 618 Christian era. 600 to 618 Christian era. All these days we call Christian era. Some people have also analyzed it in the AD. Okay, AD is a part of the Christian era. The Christian era is the period of time of the beginning of Christianity. So all history has it as an epoch called Christian era. What happened in those days, those years, called Christian era. So we're not out of place when we say Christian era. If you choose to call it AD, yeah, okay, that's fine. There are two termination of description of a period in history. Okay, so Ororo was the 18th Ogiso. You have to put your eyes down so you can see my writing. The 18th Ogiso. The other day we dealt with the 17th Ogiso. We stopped in the 17th Ogiso the other day. That was Ogiso Mose, the Ogiso who took his mother's name during coronation. Now we are on the 18th. Ogiso Ororo. Watch it. He was a blacksmith. I want you to see this. He was a blacksmith. When you see blacksmiths these days, you wonder how they do what they are doing. You wonder how they're able to craft their works. But behold, even in the Christian era, the leaders of Edo, they were already blacksmiths, perfect blacksmiths. Yes, sir. He was a blacksmith before he was made Ogiso. He didn't become Ogiso just because he didn't become a blacksmith just because he's Ogiso. No. He had learned the trade and he had prospered by that trade. I want all the Edo people to hear this. Was a blacksmith. And he belonged to a very prominent part of Benin City. Eyanogie. Eyanogie is a quarter in Benin City. Not too far from Akpakpava. Akpakpava Street. That long, popular street of Akpakpava. Eyanogie is just on the left-hand side of it. Yes, sir. That's where he came from. He traveled far and wide in Ogisodom. He traveled far and wide in Ogisodom. Even though there were no cars, no vehicles, no flight, he traveled far and wide. Why? How and why? Because he was a businessman. He was a skilled man in blacksmithing. And whatever he made, he sold. He did business with it. And thereby spreading the knowledge and setting up blacksmith stores and units around the place. You see how our ancestors, how they made life possible for everybody. I don't like what we are doing now. Many people know one thing, they will don't teach another. Or if they want to teach another, they will make it difficult for the person to learn it. Or even when they have taught somebody else, they will not make the person graduate. Make it difficult for the person to graduate, to go and learn and work. That's why we told you the other day, we will train people and we will enable the people to go start the trade that they have learned, the trade they have been training. Whatever trade that they train in, we will give them equipment to go start practicing or doing business. That's what we told you the other day, and we are still betting on it. But December 18 will be another day of enablement in Benin City in our church. Say it loud. Whoever has eyes can come and see what we do. Ogiso Ororo, a blacksmith, whatever he has made, this wonderful work that they do, if you see them, you marvel. No computers, no gas, propane gas, no petrol, whatever. But they do special works in a special environment. And when they work, there are rules and regulations. If you come to their shop, when they work, they have rules and regulations. An example is, you don't blow anything there with your mouth inside that shop. It's sacred for them. You come there, you sit down, you watch. You don't touch things that you are not permitted to touch. There is a big fire there. The fire is hotter than gas. And there's a way they pump it to make it continue to burn all day. And when it burns, it doesn't burn with petrol or gas or anything. No, it burns with a special fire and flame. Very hot. You cannot blow with your mouth. You can't blow that fire. It is forbidden. It's a taboo. You do blacksmith. My aswan now Ogiso Ororo. Ogiso Ororo. That's what my Ororo. No Ridiaki. Ebe manan itarina. Ebe mankitarina. Ebe Edo affairs. In matana. Ebe Edo affairs. Okay. Unima. Maya. Unima Maya. Idole yi. Abe ni wa na de ka ta yuto. Ebie dobe hina with moto. edoaffairs.com. My new body, they are the owners of this material. We're just happy to propagate them. I will do a first dog man. Now you told. Ima ya go kwekam manya mata ma o so you want maybe do affairs or maybe dan matana e do ga we ye we to ge o ge mata ye ide ma ni ka o di an no yuto ogi so ororo gege no ya nyo yo ga ogi so e viral bugie ogi so ne viral bugie akpake ogiso igogodo oni ogiso no ka ogiso odon ogiso gbogeba ana akade kade e viral bugie no e hara bugie ma ya ma utadere oni ogiso e mose no rie ni ye de na ma igi no iso gbe na ogiso orire ogiso e viral bugie ubi ope na do pa ya no ma oye carry by yes but he man say and me ko da me do mi obo ni ya da ye wan so bo gi agbon ya ogiso orire evarabu ge you know okay ya win na ogogun eyan ga kin o ogogun we na ti ogogun ya no se non se ikoba non se agbada non se igbawo non se vikevi ya be to bian we bi obi awo ka ke ba be pamaku ya be fang pia ya be we o aka o teso dali o ogiso na wakin ni we ne o ne ya do kine aka ma ogiso o man ki abore bi edo wa ga ki abore bi edo wa ga ki abore eso wa ki abore get severio wa get severio wa ga ki abore ya ma ye we bo ma gbe tairu do pa ya de mu gogiso no win na ogogun oge ho to boy oni en ya ari bai oni en ya doki akedo mi ogiso en ma wa na nu ye ho ma ka igo baba kwa agbon so igo igari oba agbebe ni ara ni kibo we mi obowe ogiso ri ogogun na kan awogun na do na fon pia na we o ka go wikebi e we back of yore o te do bana we ge ogiso obi enyanu ge la no enyanu ge enyanu ge o papa onu papa oni o pe idun egun epo baba ni enyanu ge ye mo a ope na buedo ege Abubakar Awolowo but I know that ibadi wa ebuyan ogiso na obo edoto beno ya wewi ona adwaki kian ona adwaki kian ya so uwe iwewe ore igodo odwaki kian dimi we uwewe ore igodo ma be edo dangben iba ogiso na odwaki kian dimi Oba tatuta ibe do no nyanja ni no forget mo mari e dio gba na do man do ya gbapa I got me over here to no man, no. But yes, sir, I am no better than no. Who go? Who do a what? Who do a what? Woman and Okawa, woman and Okara, woman and no, maybe. You will not Paqua. Oh, yeah, I mean, the canonic. There's no Vieto. Where no Vieto. We are well in all your Boena or when the Saba will do your wagon. That might be a penny, and agman, a big man, a bay, our Mariagmo. Who die you? Who die? I do sorry about Bagona. No, Menabe. No, go. No winner. No bubo. Diga. My hair, you view my baby, my hair, I had to do it. What I ho, what I want. Oh, Giso, I'm not dwacky, can't be. I'm not dwetting you, wait, over you go to be good. But we saw you warning. They don't have to win. Wow. Oh, cover. You want next one is a Ogiso Erebo. Ogiso Erebo. You see the way it's written? There is no arrow here. Some people always put arrow every year, or they are putting arrow everywhere. There's no arrow in a donen. Ogiso Erebo. See when it rained. 618 to 632. Christian era. All right? He was the 19th Ogiso in Ikodo. 19th. The one we treated was just 18. This is 19th. He was a fisherman. He was a fisherman. Was a fisherman before he was made Ogiso. And even when he was made Ogiso, he continued to be a fisherman. No pride. He was a great man. He knew about them. I came hard. People who know what they came to this world to do, they will do it before they are called back home by God. Okay, so he was a fisherman. I want you all to take note of this, because some of us think that Benin people, Edo people, they are not fishermen. They don't know water. They are not Urobos. See, Urobos are inside Edo, and they came out of Edo. Urobos are Edo, just as Benin are Edo. You hear me? Do you hear this? See, this Ogiso was a fisherman. Let us not relegate our dignities and part of our beings as if we don't know anything. See, listen to this properly. He was a fisherman. That's not all. He was a canoe cover. See it? A canoe cover. You talk to some Benin young people nowadays, they will say they don't know a canoe. What is canoe? They'll be talking about flying boat and stuff like that. Flying boat and ship, and those are they come from Weibo country. But before Igbo people came to Edo, we knew how to carve canoe, and we were sailing on the water by canoe. You hear me? Was a canoe cover. So before he was made Ogiso, he learned how to carve canoe. People who carve canoe, they have extra knowledge of physics and chemistry. When you carve canoe and you carve it, you put a volume, you put a space inside the canoe, and you'll be able to go on the water because the weight is very small compared to the weight of the water. And this capability to travel in the water will measure the velocity of this vehicle. The weight compared to the distance that is traveled. Our people had enough of science in them, and they knew more than what most of us know today, even though they couldn't write it down. He carved canoes. He came from the Okoro quarters of Benin. Okoro quarters of Benin. So you will know that I'm telling you a fake story. Okoro quarters of Benin. So if you were carving a carving canoe, and if he was a fisherman, who can answer this question there? Anybody? If this Ogiso was a fisherman and he was a canoe carver, then where did he practice his canoe that he carved? Where did he practice his business of fishing? Where? Answer me. Where did he practice? He was born in Okoro, and he was Ojongwe in Okoro. So, can answer the question quick. So, where did he practice fishing? And where did he demonstrate? Where did he utilize the canoe he was carving? Anybody? From where he lived in Benin, he lived in Okoro. Can't you answer the simple question? Where did he practice his fishing? He was a fisherman. The business of fishing. Where did he practice it? And the canoe he was carving. Where was he testing them and using them? Is it on Okoro Road or New Lagos Road or Ring Road or Ogbawo, or where did he practice them? Anybody? Any answer? Hello? Oh, nobody can answer the question. Okay, I tell you. He was practicing them in that river, which you now call Ikpoba River. Ikpoba River. If you go into Okoro, it comes out at Anglican Grammar School there. Gosa Anglican Grammar School. That's where Okoro Road comes out of. If you go into it and go far, you go and end up in Ikpoba River. If you enter Mission Road, you go south, down to Mission Road, you will end up in Ikpoba River. You go on Akpababa, you go down, go to Wadakbo, going down, you will end up in Ikpoba River. You see it? This Ogiso, he didn't say that river was too small for it to hold his hand. We don't know what to do. There's no place to walk. He knew he could carve canoe, and he was a fisherman in Ikpoba River. There was plenty of water there. You see it? From Okoro. He knew vast stories. He knew vast stories of animals, animals of the sea. This Ogiso knew vast story, a lot of story of the animals of the sea. Like, for example, mermaids. Have you heard about mermaids? Like the shark, the fish called shark. Then you heard about crocodile. This Ogiso knew stories about animals of the sea animals. He could tell you about them. The mermaids. You know mermaids? Those creatures in the sea. Their head looks like the head of young girls, young ladies, young girls. But their tail looks like it's like a fish. The fish of a tail. That's mermaids. All right? He could tell those stories. You see? Then he could tell the stories of sharks. That big fish, shark. They are powerful, they are strong in the sea. You see, this man, he knew things that are in the sea. You see? He could tell about crocodiles. and how they behave. How they behave, crocodiles. These are strong animals, crocodile. You can catch them with trap. You can also kill them with gun. They live in the waters. If you go near any big river at all, you have crocodiles. They come out at any time. If you know how to set traps, you set trap and you catch crocodile. So this Ogiso knew about them. We who are learned, we who read books, do you know about mermaids? Do we know about crocodile? Do you know about shark? That's the Ogiso. Ogiso Egbe. Ogiso Ebo. Ogiso Ebo. Gẹ́gẹ́ no ya the Ogiso. Tell ya the Ogiso. Ogiso Ebo. Ogiso Okpairo Bugie. Ẹ̀yin kí n wá Okpairo Bugie. So magma igmoye wan. Ogiso Okpairo Bugie ẹ̀yin na ye. Evlaro Bugie matabam. Okpairo Bugie yan kiki o. Ogiso Ebo. Mami o na agbon e waga e do aga Ebo. Mami mari aroye wan, eriye wan na. Eba we eri ebi ori. They don't be eri we. Eri ebi o. Eri o say. Na dari ebo bad oni waga igbon we di o. Agbon we na dogman. Ebo. Eri ebi o. Ofo. Aro wari yo ni oge bori ki o. Yẹ́nà Ogiso Okpairo Bugie. Ogiso Danaga Ogbe Oko Ogbe Ìyàwó mi ọ̀nà gbé ẹ̀rọ àgbà mi yẹn. Dùwà mi ẹ̀ nìyà. Dùwà mi ẹ̀ nìyà mànátà mu wà wẹ̀. Ìrí ẹ̀ka, ìrí òbò, ìrí ìṣẹ̀kì, ìrí ùzọ̀ màkà mu wà rẹ̀ ìrí ẹ̀dọ̀ ẹ̀yìn ẹ̀yàkí. Ó wẹ̀ ẹ̀dọ̀ yẹn ké pa ọ́. Tó dẹ́gẹ̀ ẹ̀ nìyà. Tó dẹ́gẹ̀ ẹ̀ nìyà. And be Ogiso no wa gbe hen. Again you robo mai pa o. E no sa bo ni eni no rugbe gbe hen. Eyin do ya biale mo na do biale ma na do mi ma no kwa gbe hen. No wi obo na itana. Ati urobo urobo. E ti agba gege pagbe do pa ye na gwa gbe hen. Ye na gwa eya. Ori akega. Ogiso no ro ikega agwa kana. Why the hell? Ogbe hen. Ana be aye okako. Ogiso na yana be aye okako. Ogbe hen ne oyadu okina akedo ma Ogiso. Okako ne oko. Okae ne okhin ne akedo ma Ogiso. Nu wa mi o. Okpe ma ni gbera. Okpema ni gbera ogbenye nga aro ka kowe aro eni man so bia do dan kubom kuwa kubore na ngona ya o 7 yo edo o 7 yo dado ya gwale no ati yo boy wo bebe ma ya gba ati esuku ko pa ma wa yo ma bia me ma gwa yo bo wu iwu no bo ma no so gba no pa se yo ya ka di agbon na oru ma tata bo oru ma gbe won bo wàkì àgbà lọ́dì ìlàdí náà yàwó ní Ogiso náà rí ọ̀rẹ́ ìlàdí àwọ̀ wọ́n sọ ẹ̀gbẹ́. Ogiso náà gbé náà kakọ̀. Uwe gbàngíjọ òbò náà uwe mma náà dọ́kẹ́ ìlàdí à. Uwe mbùkọ́ Ogiso èèbọ̀ náà ọ̀kẹ́ ìlàdí à. Ìdúnwọ́ kọ̀rọ̀. Gaye onyi idunwoge okoro don man ke don okoro bedo was ego sagramasko ugbe ni Benin New Lagos road ni mi sukopa no le ba nti ego sagramasko ego upo no le gbe wa re oni upo na la ni wokoro ekene ukpo ni ri odi okoro openze ga no dubia odo se ni na kako odo se na be agbe eze ni ba ti no gbe hin no ka no kako awon Ezekbuba, Wama, Kidande Sekato, Ranto, Ezekbuba. Only Ezekbuba. While local audience can dick on Zekbuba. While I will say mission road to Kanka with the dick Buba. While a papa can with the dick Buba. Among West animal what dig by you coon and could I can't call and could I bring hell. If I don't bring him on a queen go on a fee. If you saw by your woman about your bona or get the dirty ma or my la, but the back bay, or a betonisa, or a betonisa, where you back bay, you are balling somebody you were here. Not you watch it up. No, ya no more. A do. Ah, what I don't mamma. Yeah, what I want the Kobe here, even Korean guy, not live by your quality. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I don't want Kawa, yeah, okay. Then I don't want ya over a what, yeah, okay. Then I don't know soup mona yo, okay. He then the man get to give up. Or say, what go at yo? The other pack, babe. What go at yo? Say. Ogisona, anawa we onka. Onka, okay. I am okay. Okay, onka, okay, I am a weze. Aba am a weze. Aba onki an ya fe. Evanta, wa o wa we ata. Bekini akele bekini ade. Oka ge da doge. When am in wa weze, o wa we bun. Dey. Ubi no weze. Wakwe in ma in paro na Mateo ubi no weze. Ni bioro yite mami water. Ubi no weze. Unwen ya wa je boge ubi. O yo bo ko dem boso muse. Ke to e ke ya ve. We ge so to o do wa Odo ame ehe o erufu no ge he. Odi ubi no weze. Ubi no weze o. Ubi no weze o. Kasame eh. Ubi no weze o. Ba mai wani. Do mai wani, mai wani ye. Ubi no weze o. Kitigi. Ubi no weze o. Kitigi. Kasame eh. Kitigi. Ubi no weze o. Warai. Ubi no weze o. Ubi no weze o. We know the weather. Ogiso na wa onka no kan ni. We know the weather. Obe onka no kan na te oriri. Onka na ran te oriri. O weather you. Wa gbori ko gbori. I get your bum. Orugbese. Obe oka no kan omiameze. Do wa wen. Omiameze. Ami no gbegbe o. Ayi fi gbe abe yo si gbe. Obe ti en fi o. O wa to kana ya fe. Mama enia. Ogiso eyin eki o. Ogu agbe. Ogu akako. Ogu abe kin eyin ni. O wa be akin ni le gbegbe ya kian. Obe onka no be kan. Emi no ragbona. The next one is Ogiso Ogbomo. Ogiso Ogbomo. Look at when it rained. So when it rained. It was the 20th Ogiso of Igodo. 20th Ogiso of Igodo. Ogbomo. That name is a popular name, isn't it? Aha. So the Ogbomo name has been Edo culture from time immemorial. 20th Ogiso. Okay? He came from Ugbawo quarters. Watch it. Ugbowo quarters. I want you to put your ears down and see how the things of this world go. Put your ears down and listen carefully. This Ogiso, he was from Ugbowo quarter. You know, all these Ogiso, they are the oldest person in the community. Okay, this was the oldest person in the whole of Igodo. He was from the Ugbowo quarter. Where is Ugbowo? Who knows where Ugbowo is? Okay, when you come from New Lagos Road, New Lagos Road, you come out in Uselu. When you come further going toward Lagos, you come to Ugbowo. That's where we have the University of Benin. That's where we have the University of Benin Teaching Hospital. That area is Ugbowo. Now watch it. See where I'm going? Ugbowo. He was a nurse or he was a doctor. A nurse or a doctor. This Ogiso. A nurse or a doctor. And he was found in Ugbowo area. So put that together. This Ogiso, nurse or a doctor in Ugbowo area equals to UBTH. You hear me? Equals to University of Benin Teaching Hospital. So he has been teaching, he has been treating people, he has been a doctor, he has been a nurse for a long, long time. And he's still there now in Ugbowo. He's the one who called the government and called everybody to come to Ugbowo, to bring the hospital to Ugbowo. No wonder. If you get it that way. He treated people of STD. What is STD? He treated people of STD, sexually transmitted diseases. Sexually transmitted diseases. According to my research, he treated people with venereal diseases, sexually transmitted diseases. He treated them. He had medicine for them. Hey? Is that so? Yes, sir. He treated people with arthritis. Pain everywhere, pain on the hand, pain on the leg, pain, arthritis. Arthritis on the finger will not let people open their fingers properly. Arthritis, you see. It's pain, especially during the cold season. He treated them. He treated people with epilepsy. Epilepsy. That's a disease that comes from people without them knowing it, the time it will come. And they fall to the ground. He treated it. He treated pregnant women. Pregnant women. Is that a disease? No, it's not a disease, but it's a condition. Pregnant women are treated with pregnancy. The Edo people know how to treat women who are pregnant. Prenatal and postnatal periods, Edo people know how to treat them with herbs collected from the bush. Water to drink or to rub. This Ogiso knew that he was an expert in them. Let's give him a hand. He was a nurse and doctor in Ugbowo area, equals to UBTH. Wọ́n sọ pé Ogiso ògbọ́mù. Ogiso ògbọ́mù rẹ̀ Ogiso ògbọ́mù ọ̀pẹ́ ènìyàn ní ire ògbọ́mù òpè nínú ò rẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ ló yára Ogiso Edo. Yàrá Ogiso n'oge uge yẹn kí n'oge Ogiso yàrá yẹn n'oge uge ọ̀yàsó yẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀ máa ta ẹ̀rẹ́ wà náà Ogiso n'oge rẹ̀. Ìdúnwọ̀ Ugbowo ẹ̀ọ́kẹ́rẹ́ o wọ́n ọjọ́ wèé ayá Ogiso ìdúnwọ̀ Ugbowo yẹn náà ọjọ́ wèé yìí àmà wà mí ọ̀pá o ụda ka abụda ya sesemesi o Ogiso Ugbowo ayé ọ̀nà ya ọ̀bọ̀ òkùnwù Ugbowo ayé náà bí ya ọ̀bọ̀ òkùnwù mọ́bí ẹ̀ A University of Benin Teaching Hospital, hey, now, a University of Benin, University of Benin Teaching Hospital, that it's a UBTA, hey, are the Kenyan, Kaya, yeah, warrior, yeah, Kaba, yeah, hey, are okay, Ubo, okay, so Bama, no, a doctor, no, you don't see, I don't be Ubo, I'm okay, so, but UBT, UBT, yeah, do I go? Do I mean? Èmi di ìdáwó yìí. Òfin wọn nínú ya gbà ó wọ́n ọ̀yà ọ̀bọ̀ òkun. Ẹ̀yà yàtọ̀ miẹ̀wẹ̀ ayílẹ̀ tó ya fẹ́fẹ́fẹ́. Ó gbọ́ wá ìlú mọ́ UBTH yìí. Ìwúna ni ẹ̀wùn náà kẹ́ àárín ìwúna náà bẹ̀ ọ̀sùnkìtù gbọ́wọ́. Wà bẹ̀rẹ̀ àmọ́wé sí ọ̀nìyà. Mọ́wé yìí bọ́dọ̀ lọ́nà yìí. Àmọ̀gbé náà ní àbíọ̀mọ́ náà bìbá nìyí. Akedo mu university yiba na emiewe ke university ya de ba mu na ogbon mo mu na ke ya na ido aye UBT you wa dege ope na we ma gbon na e ma na we obugun ona agbe game am na agbe aga o ya tinka to pa eso bona ki emi ame ori nia èmi àwọn ẹni ne ma so mu egbe ilobie ne ma so mu ilobie no wi gba agbon ni en ti STD e ma so agbo kya so lobie ye mu mi ame ma so agbo okwo so lobie ye mu mi ame on ni emi nia o wa en egen ni ano ukwu na gbe mi àwọn ẹni ya fe idioma na ogwa obo ti e won ta e bi wa no ọgbà ọgbọ o ibi àmì ní à jẹ ibi àmì ìwé rà nàtẹ ènàdé wọ́n ènàdé ẹ̀wọ̀n dé ọwọ́ akí ọwọ́ rírì wà dé àmàgbàmọ́mọ́ yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn adé o ọwọ́ dé ó lè dè wọ́n náà dé adò àṣẹkù ẹ̀ adò àgbàmí wọn ọwọ́ again our young man here where he walking worry your man here day the man no okay so now ya won fun they don't do Ukwu ọgọ mọ ekwu ọmọ ọgọ ikwu ni hama ukwu ọmọ ọgọ ikwu ni hama abe ekpo ni yeke ukwu ọmọ ikwu ni hama abe ekpo ni yeke mana do eni wan soro do ukwu ọmọ wa gba obo o come wagwabo when ikoso de ya rere bia awo bosoro no wa be onkun na ye ne ma radio na ya bia munda emi guga all of don do or e gbe da do we ikoso ro no wo wa be popo wo gbe itongbe e pesoro no wo wa be popo gbe itongbe aya we na so pon ro video ìgbé sọ̀rọ̀ nígbà ìtọ́gbé nígbà iná tọ́gbé ní eku náà àtúwé ibi eku orin ẹ̀ làdíyàn ọ̀bẹ̀ àtọ́ gírígírí ọ̀dà ìyàtọ̀ mọ́ wọn ìgbé sọ̀rọ̀ nígbà ìtọ́gbé eku náà kúwé ibi eku ẹ̀ làdíyàn kúwé kíá ní làdíyàn náà ọ̀rùn rẹ̀ yí wẹ́ àwẹ̀ ọ̀rùn rẹ̀ yí wá wẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ gbòkú nìyí ekuni bi aton girire bina mewe amo ye na amena ayatemba ekuni no ton ni e bi ma ekuni no ton gbe e bi ma o be gbele ipele ovun we eku ni no so gbari yu vi eku owo pe a Ekuni no do ladia no ukwana do amani no do aru you we awe ogo ku we gbo ku ekuni o makeke no we tongbe ege no aladia na ukwana mi bia odi no na ti o we na gbe e o salobua be ekino na mwe no mwe yi no mi no do aru ladia na ite eku no fa kekeke ni yiba kasa ekuni o me do ton se o atongbe ekpele no saro gba vi yo ekpele no sumo oruwe kuni aseti kai ayo ya o dege oruwe kuni ono sumo o eri ni apo atongbe ebe ekpele ni bi do wulo ime ta mu we eti no we eri o de be eri ma tie be bi na wanta gele don ekuni ya ebe ba keke no tongbe wa ho they na yeberio obe aya no wo obe ya akwe a mira ya akwe obe ya me no wo akwe wi ba wo ni afi obe ya me ni kwe ame no wo ame no titu obe ya akwe na gbin ya ri o to le ba se ba uwen na ya yi won o wen wa gbu me uwen to ye gbo wa ton edo wada ho umen ga bungbe ema umen na ya you won we da we do you yo be aka you men lu won men na si o we da gbe do you yo o mo ma mo na da we gbe ya yo ni asu bowo na we ri we na ya ja yo ni o su bowo ni we na ehwo ni wa you men lu won se wa de ye be rio de mari ne nu we ori ne nu wa we fun da bo umen oye gbo wa ton egbo pe aton gbe e ma ogbele no fi omo egbele ni no fi omo ni o ma we no bu se he ese tin ne koko o keke no wa bun gbi ese ti ka million inu gba no pe alogo ko lowi e wa da ho inu gba no pe iri go ko lowi e ne gbe na ma ni ere no ya re ni no saru ba mu igbina ni no ya ka body and ni awa me mi awo o wa mi awo bene ya ti ni eri akatani eku ni eri alajan luwe ki alajan itue eri aru re yuwe uwe awe oni uwuhe ogoku yere irure yo na egbe wo na okyomomo otore otore yen ilu elwa overie oni ebu pe agoku oluye na ibi tale iro le ni mama yin de no mai mi yi ebo biote ya soto abe ya mama mi vesuku imam sensitivity na ya ba na vesuku na ata na o henkin I tewata mawa maga yi kan be bi manado eku ni pelepele no ya seti ka million no inu gba nu ri go ko lobi e de million ya ladia nu ya to e wuhe owoku o ma se million odo alogo na ya na ekuku do alogo na boze fun dawo eke popa e o salo bo adi ye wuhe owoku wa ko mo oku bo wuki popa abezaja mi eva o ho na eva epelepele ni ma o keka bo abun ese tin deru e ma megbe ye ekeni awa ma megbe yo opa kan yan do hu ekeni gbira wa high or high o mudiawo Elle a bien au Mundia, c'est le bail. On y a d'autres on ou les docteurs ou Hiamo. Baby, ni man boom, yeah, while they can a Kenny Yegbera, I mean, or have, yeah, boom, yeah, Mamma, who a Kenny, and I'm your partner, do have a Kenny, I out there. O make it a video. Ke open na kere Kenny kana na ya odegi ero. Sukwa oreba. Bino salobo ya yagbon na. Mama na digwe na pon salobo. O ko ma wa. Maya. Bino salobo ya yagbon na. Oh, even when it's on roto toy. Ah, wo ri lo bi o pe oku na no wa tse. Ni mana fi oboda do ku na gba afu sa. Da gu la na tana. Ukwu ni eni nwa na de. Ni awo na oku do ha abekpo ni yeke. Mboni akweko yeye owo na be aruwe kokwo ni o gba be o ya. Oba keke no wo aruwe kokwo ni wa ko mo ni wa ko mo ni wa wo ewe ko kekan ye. O ya ru wa ko mo ni epelepele ni ana ya wa ekani na o kyo mo. Wa ko mo ni ekebedo sabo ya ye ihin ati homos no sabo wa we yi no wa we wa ko mo ni ukuki no ihin ya wa we diako ene na ekani hiana do ana seliva ihin ya ge ya de ba ni vie ke no ko gbo ni de ka okwo ni ya skoko ya ku ebeze ezogi ni ke bezogi ku onko no ke gbo ni re ya ku ana do mi we opado de kapa odokun mo o ma ye kuere o ma ye miongo benu saba gwala yi edefio ana mi ogbeso o so ye wo do o wa tipo o ba defio emi eso be ni bi wa ge na o ma na ya mana gba benu saba gwala yi edefio ogisona ye ke yin okun na re ni ku na ti okun omo okay bi okun na re ni ku iku na ti ekpo ni yeke ya gba ogwe ku okedo bie oye bie na ye be di ku ne o ya lusu ke kwa suke ba the newborn ogiso erebo ina ni wan na de ewe ni Fatima we en so bo no keke already na the last one for today is ogiso agbonzeke. Ogiso Agbonzeke. It was the 21st Ogiso in Nigodo. Ogiso number 21. Nigodo. You see, he was a philosopher. Okay? He was a historian. Okay? He was a poet. A poet with songs and proverbs. Yay. So there have been great people in this land for a long, long time. This one wasn't a cover. He wasn't a Kenumbida, but he was a philosopher. You know philosophers? Like Cicero, like Plato, like Aristotle. Eh? People who formulated ideas and wisdom. Philosopher. Those are two Greek words. Phileo, I love. Or love. Phileo. Phileo, I love. It's a Greek word. Sophos, wisdom. Philosophos. The words about wisdom. Knowledge about wisdom. Philosophers. So people who know knowledge about wisdom are philosophers. Hello? Philosophers. Two words. So this man was a philosopher. He could postulate wisdom. Like my grandfather. Yes. You are told that Plato said, "Man, know thyself." Man, know thyself. Our dean of students affairs in the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, Dean Upabi, he told us that we are all quoting that. Is it Plato? You are quoting Plato saying that he said, "Man, know thyself, no one know thyself." He said people have been researching into the works of Plato. We didn't see anywhere where he said it. So he said, "Man, know thyself." It made us laugh. It says people say Plato said, "Man, know thyself." Said, but people have been researching. We didn't see anywhere where he said, "Man, know thyself." Those are words of wisdom, you know. So this farmer, if we knew how to read and write in Benin land, we have been able to see what some of Ogisu Agbonseke said. Like my grandfather Idemudia. Mm-hmm. My grandfather Idemudia said, you know about days and nights. He said the days are long, the nights are long. But any day where people don't go to bed at night is all days. If you count all the hours where people are not in bed when they should be in bed, it's all should be counted as days, not nights. So he said days are more than nights, because the days when men are awake and not in bed, they are all days. I mean, the hours that men are awake are all days. I give him one. My grandfather, a Demonia of a Wowe city. So this man was a philosopher. He was a historian. He could tell you what has been happening in this world for centuries. How they know it, I don't know. My father Demonia was like that too. He could tell you stories upon stories. He didn't read it from books, but he knew it because God has gifted some people. Many people God has gifted, and you cannot explain their gifts. Oh, he was a poet. He was a poet with songs and proverbs. See, this book I wrote is a book of poetry. Look at it. Poetry is a special gift. A poetical narrative of the Edo people's common identity. Poetical narrative of Edo common people identity. This book is written in poetry. Poetry. So that man, that Ogiso Agbonseke was a poet, and he could identify everything with song and proverbs. See, Edo land, blessed by the Almighty Creator. What does it lack that it should crave for? You see it? Food in abundance, timber in quantum, rubber, cocoa, citruses, and petroleum. You see the syllables? You see how they fell? Creator, then crave for, then quantum, then petroleum. That's poetry. This Ogiso was like that. You see, those were one in origin. They are yet one in diversity. Reverently behold their genesis, that those came out of one quiver. Oh! I give Agbonseke hand. In his own case, he followed it up with songs and with proverbs. He interpreted the native laws and customs of Edo. This man, Agbonseke, he interpreted native law and custom of Edo. And he could tell truth from lies. See it? He could tell truth from lies. When people came to judge about their land or about their children or whatnot, he could tell the truth from lies. He could tell people, you're telling a lie. Because I know it did not happen like that. And he is correct. Agbonseke. Even the name Agbonzeke is mysterious. Agbonzeke. There have been many great Edo people. You see them, you give them a hand. Oh! No shake matter now. Ogiso Agbonzeke. Ogiso Agbonzeke gẹ́gẹ́ ló yára Ogiso. Yan Ogiso ne ọ̀pá yangie. Ogiso no pa yangie. Aka ọ̀pá eva ha na isen ha. Ando kasu gie. Yan Ogiso no pa yangie. Ogiso Agbonzeke. Ogiso no pa yangie. Okay, umenwa. Umenwa. So when keke yen na gba umenwa. Yen ga gwan we ayen we o me kedo na mio odiso obosado odo kere umenwa. Abe bona umenwa ima igi abe so crazy we a plateau we si zero. Agian we na goba. Umenwa Ogiso da ka. Ona we oka oba we oka ayen kedo na mio amagbe ba ma wote oka ya tete ya or I typho when we are arriba. If you saw by your way, you don't have enough work. A demo de anisi. Oh, another a hara. When you have a banner away a hara, a beduna. A beduna nickman. A hara yagmo. A hara. Or what they them in Okino. Obosalo Bakiri. I mean, Nawaro. Oh. I want one I have a boss all by Haji. A gara, I had my bill. I had my bill and maybe, or maybe I had more hair. So, a gara, wano. Yeah, you had a Ogimanado, a dog pamaki. A dog pamaki. A dog pamaki, Lumuhan. Ọ̀pá ìdòkín òbù hẹ́ngà dè ọ̀pá yàyẹ́bẹ̀ kí ògùn gan ẹ̀kọ́ gba èkó tọ̀rọ̀ òmù hẹ́yà ire ẹ̀gàn pa ẹ̀dọ́ yake làdìyàn ya ọ̀dẹ mọ́yẹ̀ ọ̀dẹ ìhìá òkó ìyá àmì àdẹ́sẹ̀ anágasẹ̀ ká ìyá kéde obìnrin rúndà ìyá ẹ̀hàn wù. Ema pàtàkì náà ké ẹgbẹ́ ọ̀sà náyì rẹ̀ èsèsèsè ọ̀run ní ìbí ògè Ogiso ògè náà kì í so òrùnọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ wọ́n ní Ogiso níkà o igi ọ̀pá yàn gbà bẹ́ẹ̀ òkàdó ọ̀rẹ́ òmùhẹ́ àgbọ̀n kàárẹ̀. Unye eweka tuvie enige ye tankia. Oba iye vari egene ta eye kaikia. Onyo ihara. Ome ikia. O ade. O anya na bo. Akpo nu sorobo. Do sorobo yen no ayagbo na he. Ima ewe no gi odagbon ma. Ni ye de mwege no tangbe. We have what's Otado no sana give young be. They mean I give no guy as swan ye. If I boy or pay rampon of ye. Oh, a me peresan, a yoko kiwi, a yuto. Coque kaze, a young agba. The Ugoton, oge okinanu bode. Ẹ̀rìn náà gbòkèlè. Lèrúgọ̀tàn gé ẹsẹ̀ ní mímì pọ̀ ní ìrìn láyò wá. Àràgbá òkútọ̀ gẹ̀má àràgbá òkútọ̀ kèmàmẹ́. Ẹ̀tọ́ rásẹ̀ tí ń gbárò òun ò tẹ ẹ̀rọ. Àrẹ̀rìtẹ́ ìyàfò náà gbẹ̀dànjé ètẹ́rẹ̀ ní ibi ẹ̀rọ. Èèyàn pákẹ́ ní màyí nọ́kẹ́ nọ́gbà ní mà àkúgbé ẹ̀dókùgbé ọ̀pá ìdòkí òmùhẹ́ngàdè onye kara ogiso agbonzeke yẹn wà bẹ yẹn kara ọ̀nà bẹ yẹn ọ̀gbọ́n bẹ ria uyedo kebe ilé lọ́gẹ́do ọ̀dì yà ayé ilé lọ́gẹ́do uyedo bí ní ó ṣe èmi náà yẹ mi di ọ̀wà bẹ ria ayé náà gbọ̀nyá mẹ́kẹ́ náà ọ̀tútù ọ̀yẹ́ ẹ̀wọ̀n nà rẹ̀ uwe òhòrè àmọ́mẹ́dì dáwọ̀ yẹn náà ta yẹn ẹ̀wọ̀n nọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀nà àtòrè gbanagbani yẹn ẹ̀wọ̀n nọ̀rọ̀ náà wà tẹ̀ wọ́n nọ̀rọ̀ mà wọ̀ ẹgbẹ́ ìwú ọ̀wẹ̀ ogiso àgbọ̀nzẹ̀kẹ́ èdè màá ta sẹ́yẹ náà ọ̀yá bẹ́ dàn ẹ̀họ̀ ọ̀yá rẹ̀ nà wà wẹ́sì ọ̀wọ̀ ọ̀yá bẹ́ wà á rẹ̀ ẹ̀wọ̀n náà má rẹ̀ ọ̀rúwó kú náà ọ̀gẹ̀ mi náà ayà pẹ́ nìyàn Kuyo wena Friday ya kwa bibi duga unsalubwa wa ya ama wa su wabo nanya unsalubwa mata na we ne gbema awo jemi no kian we da mo wa o me no ma o ga fian gbe alawo da o me ni Jesus Christ se na do ga ma do abuyo ibi ja fe wa gbona no fu ba gbe me ni Jesus Christ se o ba wa no redo wọ́n àtọ́ ìpẹ̀rẹ̀ kété ẹ̀rí ẹ̀rá máa wà ìgá máa ó yẹ pé ẹ̀wọ̀n dúgì ó bá yí ló bọ̀ ẹ̀fọ́ ìṣẹ́ ó bá àtọ́ ọ̀pẹ̀ ìṣẹ́ ọ̀gbẹ́ni adó ètò ẹ̀rín yàfẹ́ wà bí ọ̀hún ọ̀yàfẹ́ wà á rí adá wà yàfẹ́ ó sára bó ẹ̀yì drone quest ọ̀rẹ́ o ó sára bó ẹ̀ Patrick Osunde ọ̀bùkún ọ̀bùrọ̀dá o. NSNS ìtúọ̀ Transligable ìtúọ̀ Daniel Mata ìtúọ̀ Christian Igbinaduwa àtúọ̀ Ekinadese katọ̀ Uka Tẹ̀mọ̀sí ìyẹn mẹ́nuta Ekinadese katọ̀ Christian Igbinaduwa kóyọ̀ wà má o Daniel Mata òrìbà kóyọ̀ Ekinadese katọ̀ Osarabo ẹ̀hì Christian Igbinaduwa ọ̀pẹ́ ìwárí sí o Patrick Osunde Daniel Mata ekatọ ọ̀pẹ́ ìwárí sí o Daniel Mata Ekinadese ekatọ iye bá wárí rẹ̀ sí kó yọ òwúrọ̀ Christian Igbinaduwa wa gbẹ̀nẹ̀ mi wà bún kẹ̀mẹ̀ máa sí ẹ̀ máa o wọ́n ẹ̀pẹ́ ma kó yọ o Andrea Mato ìmọ̀gbàgbọ́n ìhùn fi ẹ̀gbẹ́ lẹ̀ yẹ kó yọ o Rose ìjàtọ̀ ìlà mi kó yọ ọ̀pọ̀ ẹnu rẹ̀ sí ọmọ ìfòtó wọ ní ibẹ̀ lórí àkómọ ẹ̀ ọ̀kà àwọn mọ̀ dédé ọ̀jẹ́ máa gbé kó apàwé àmì ẹ̀yà ààrẹ ẹ̀dẹ́gbẹ̀dẹ́gbẹ̀ lórí ẹ̀yẹ yàmù koyo wira me kiste biasugi wa kare ese wi so ya wa kare wa ama o agbona afu wa gbe mi ya fe ga suwa bo ege wa mu ire wa do ya ge bi na wa de ba me awe sagbo no fian gbe no wa o okay awe makata si Igbinaduwa awe makata si ya fe wo wa ri mama dade ni ore idun wedo yanuki ugbowo mami wanta yo gere wa no pe ni nke ariba na yi wa so wa kinade so wi wa na yi ba so wa ezipo ba do wa mi yes Christian Igbinaduwa yo no do dantana pe no re yare yo ọmọkùnrin ẹwú yare yo ra àmàwàgbọn àdọmọ àfiàngbọ wà o iṣẹ́ o wàhíàwé tó kádàkádà kó yọ ọjà ẹ̀mẹgbẹdẹ ẹkọ fún wa wàá fi ìwà ẹnu mání mọ́ni wàá fi ìwà ẹnu mání mi wàá fi abíẹ̀lẹ̀ bàgbọ́n ọgbọ́n wàá jù hàn mú wà wẹ́ẹ́ dèmí àyàn wọ́n hàn ẹgbẹ́ mọ́ wọ́n hàn ẹgbẹ́ mọ́ wa abíẹ̀lẹ̀ bàgbọ́n ẹgbẹ́ máa wẹ́ẹ́ dógún sẹ́mà Eunice yàgbọ́n wú ẹ̀ ọ̀kápá nù àná táìní àná wú àná tàpá dọ́ta nù àná nù táìní àná hàn I want to buy think power. Nigga, Otano Hano units. Uyekman. Who are not akpa. Then not body in home. Ogodua. Ogodua. Eni osanu, eni ogosa. Eni ha manedo wa ogodua ye. O van ka o. O van ngano. Eni ni ma on salubwa ye haga no. Na eni no o van obero. Osano buwa. Oni owo. Osano buwa. Nana wo sano bua. Osano bue uwa. Wef. Sano bua no uwa. Osano bua no ogodua. Osano bua no ogodua. Sano bua no ogodua no yagbona. Sano bua no ogodua. Logo o sa lobua sa no o si ani o ni li o sa lobua o sa obuwa ne obuwa obue uwa na mu ni agbona uwa don o sa boy wa o sa no buwa o sa no bua dogo dua no pogi ha o sa no bua no dazi. Usarobwa nundazi. Sarobwa nundazi usarobwa neboma here. No emi ya fefe. Sarobwa sarobwa no yagbona no mefe. Sarobwa nundazi sarobwa no wegbe no reya. Ebo ahanta yen we omnipotent God, omnipresent God, omniscient God. Ha bo yata no re Bible. Omnipotent, omnipresent, omniscient. Omnipotent is the definition of God who created. You see? Omnipresence is God who is everywhere. Omniscient is God who knows all things. Did all things, is everywhere, and he knows all things. Usano buwa, usano no godwa, usano dazi. Ebanado ya daga ya. So no buano osi ani obi wa. Lobua. Usa lobua, eto lobua. Ona onyo no buwa. Usa no buwa. Daga usa no buwe uwa. Yon bu uwa, yon bu efe. Efe uwa. Lobua. Waga igmawe yo. Lobua. Usa no dua. Usa no dazi. Usa na no buwa. God Almighty. You know. My baby, you double ya my tiansa. Or you move and I tiansa. Sagbaye, Usanakbama, Usana ye no yudion. See? No ye, no create. Lakbama no memia. Usana ye no water boya. Do that guy. Wakuyo. In a bullet about there. Koyo, a book of day bound you. My day was in Koyo Rita. Well, here, happy Thanksgiving you. My matter here at America. No, them our annual Thanksgiving. Yesterday was our annual Thanksgiving in America. Pupu, my away akore. My way do Gakore, do my do Gakore of America. No, the Gakore of America. Uda wawe on Saruba, wawe, my way, Agma, wawe, our Koro, Pupu. Can you request a video? A video. Oh, there, I can wear that live. Yeah, we're on here. I can wear that live. When you came into this place, the video is there. Are you just coming for the first time, or I mean, the video is there. Look at the video. Yeah, look at the video. YouTube.com/Edo Shepherds Forum TV. That's the video. That's the video for everybody. We have over 250 videos already. And they are free. Look at it. Use your cell phone to take the picture. How you came in here today. That's the same video. That's the same video. You will see me everywhere. Over 250 videos. Spread it wide. Broadcast it. Tell other people to go and be watching it. They are free. You don't pay anything to watch it. Subscribe to that video. Look at it. Subscribe to it and watch it day and night. Everything we've been doing for 3 years plus. June made it 3 years. So we have done it for 3 years and 4 months now. July, August, September, October, November. 5 months, 3 years and 5 months. We have over 250. Okay. Like the names of God in Edo Benin. Okay. Some other day I will find more names of Edo, for us to see. Okay. All right. It's so elaborate. I'm not able to bring it out all this moment. It's very elaborate. Yes. I want you to ask questions like that so that we can be discussing it. Also, I want you all to bring topics, subtopics you want us to discuss in counseling, in our pastoral counseling. If you know anything that is bothering us, bothering Edo people, and you want me to discuss it in counseling, bring it up, type it out and send it to me. Okay? So we prepare for it and we present it as a way of counseling, a way of advice for Edo people. You get me? Oh, I'm so pleased to see you, and I'm so pleased to see your writing. Oh, yes. I say the videos. I don't have a video for Edo Names of God. I don't have that video, but all the videos I've made, they are all here. You can pull them out. You can take them out. You can do anything you want to do. Watch it, and you can forward it to anywhere. They are there. Oh, yeah, you hear what I'm saying? Urese ni magbanso omagba. Urese. Urese, right? Urese. 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 Ima wede wana o. Ima wede wana. No wegben na ona uruse wegben. Urese eni na amari ba gwemari eyi ba. Urese. Udage. Ima ya wede wana o. Eti ma go wangwi. No, eti ma go wangwi. Weso utane. You know. Ẹ̀wọ̀n wà yẹ wọn gbé wàhálà wà á tí ẹ̀wọ̀n bá gbére wà á fi afẹ́fẹ́ fífa bá gbére adágún pa afẹ́fẹ́ fífa wọ́n ní àfihàn bá gbére ọ̀jẹ̀ wọn ni wà á vọ́n ẹ̀dọ̀ wà á vọ́n níbi ẹ̀dọ̀ ìṣẹ́ ibi ẹ̀wọ̀n ọ̀bẹ yìí tẹ̀dọ̀ gbòsẹ̀ mà wà gìmọ̀ níbi ẹ̀dọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ búnyọ́ èké nana ní ti mà wà gìmọ̀ níbi ẹ̀dọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ wà gbẹ́bù wà kan mẹ̀wọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀gẹ̀ ẹ̀rí mà níbi ẹ̀dọ̀ mà bẹ́ẹ̀ bú o. Mabebu. Say ya wa biele bagbe. Wa biele bagbe. Pupo wa yen ya biele. Abiele bara bie. Ugogo bara mie. Izomo magazo. Edo nebu zomo. Iya. No bie va na we no bie va we bai. No bie ha na we no bie ha we bai. Oh so we we are going cooking. I told you, you had the necessary cocomo, era bona. You would be tired of my home. If you had no mind, I'll cocomo and necessary cooking money, I'll be era bona. My day, you have obeyed no Biela quite a diva. My car, my good, you my guy. My a call my good, my guy. And you saw why I give money do. They don't hear the house cocoa. Yeah, Obama Bima. Maybe a Yabu. Maybe a Godabo. Maybe a Beru. I'm going to talk about okay. Ogima and the Bima. I go where everybody want to very red. Everybody want to very red. What's it? Man, I do it. Que va fi pi a magi ma bele. Que va fi pi se gi ma evie bu ma bi evie do de bu se wa we. Ya. Aye ko gbe mu o. Evie do wa ye ka gbale gbe wa bele. Ka son ka wa bele wa e na agba o mo e. E ki lega ma e lega ma. No ma ha wa, e ma ba be mi o. David the guy didn't not get action by able to do it. Ke bodo don by bodo don. Ke bite ye pa bugbo. Yeah. E ba fo, e be wodu, e be de siasia, e be buwese, e be de agbono yira ami mi ga wa. That's a big guy keka. Igbo die mama ga we aya lu won. Yeah. Ogi ma yin aka wo ba yin. David don here do na o pa obi ma. O tien to po bo harima e pe ro yo ye iyan o ogede o je mi ne to bo do oko wa do ye kwe mo wa e kwe mi ma ti era be u ma gbo na sa gba mo yin ma bo na amero venyu e yo ka ro na ri o te do ne zo e yo ka ro na ri o te do ne wa akoro ba no na do onya akoro anya koro you know, Bodon, Ohan, and one bullet. May I do mumbo at Bamba? You are the other mumbo. But the Ubo show, the movie look of Buddha and that him. Sabam one man. Why get I log him up? Bank don't log over. Somebody have woman, or you talk woman. Or ye a man woman, or ye be a woman, or come board on a gal I wrote a do. Yeah. Somebody might be one I might have a friend. You must say a woman, a tea of woman, you will be a woman. Well, what will I came when I do? Why I think when I go and what I think was to be one winner. Well, what I want so tough. Ota kwere be de when the for be better than how what I think I will do. Otedo ya wano. Yeah. Cabinet city ancestor ko ya so one. As the level ya say ote kai aso otibo. Ba je bo be do mu ma mo to wala ho wo. Wa ragboa. Iye do ragboa. O to do sa bo ya woman ma ba ya gele songema. Ugbiga we yo. Yo ba gbo to. Nu mu go yo nu gbo yo. Oko. Wa ya ni e nera ma je ma wa muni ma wa ebuku wa ja mu fu awedo unu na ya gun agbon unu ya gun ase ado apitan iri iya be ye ma guma be le ma wa so ni be go ka be giso na tana de bi ma yewu de bi no ma gun abo wi ma de ato yo ba ni biedo bo se we ni mi na rebu da bi mu na kokwa do ko we ki um kwa meto ha do ka we ki um kwa supon na no supon na ma mi opon ni yo na o ya no so ya no se be bo di a yo re no ide be don ni Nigeria aba akoko na ba ti ororo ebi egbe na mu yuru e ma we imedo nwa ba akpolo wa gbona akpolo ni ko mu yekun akpolo eyiro ni e ma we no do abado ala be o se o ra ri chu kom ibiedo Bari chugom te na ye na is game ma miuna. Uma miuna. We. Ma wa wi ando e do pase ya te ya. Wa wi ando we baba do wi ye do. Ya ko wa adi so si wa ya go sarubo. E ba ni uma me kepa. Ba ni ovion ke soto. E ba ni efe ki ye. E ba ni atom ki kere. Oge bie bi na na si mi na si o man ko die ke do na gba si o ma be go de wa kuto do ai. Ye bi ye dag mo di o ko won yi le lo sarubo. O sa ba ye ko mo wa. Oge na ke de do gbera o. Itamu ba manedo edokin de. Wale lo sa ba ye ko mo wa. Ze na ye o sarubo ki. E ba mo na ya for boy. O ga si ma bo mi se. O baba do, o wi ye do, o we gwa do, o we no gi do, o wo jon we do. O de an dollar gbana ye so. So ba gwa yaro. Baba. Ooh.